Welcome to Independence Ridge, located an hour and a half northwest of Nashville, Tennessee. This smoking fresh country living paradise was thoughtfully carved out of northern Tennessee's sprawling, majestic ridgetops, boasting privacy with amazing views. Conveniently located just 10 minutes outside the charming town of Dover, come see the private entrance with electric and fiber optic internet already in place, and escape to the peaceful charm of this very diverse recreational paradise. Whether you're seeking a weekend getaway, your new forever home, or an investment property, Independence Ridge provides you a variety of beautiful lot offerings ranging from 5 to 50 plus acres. For more information about Independence Ridge, contact Pat Doyle at 615-490-2771.